Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are very well at your home. So stay safe, stay home. But we have to learn. So in our last session what we learned? How to construct sentence by using simple present tense. How to construct sentences in simple present tense. And we have constructed, we have done practice also. So today we have to learn how to construct negative sentence in simple present. So negative sentence, how to construct? Let's look at the board. We are going to learn about negative sentence. Negative sentence. So two things, two tricks, दो जादू आपको ध्यान में रखना है. What are that two tricks? First of all, whenever we are talking about negative sentence, most important thing is we need helping verbs and not. Helping verbs and not. We need helping verb and not. So in simple present sentence, when we have constructed, we have seen that what we are using: subject, then verb, then object. V1 form of verb we are using. But here in simple present sentences, there are hidden helping verbs. And that hidden helping verbs we have to find out while making negative sentence. So how to find out? Very simple. I am giving you a trick. First of all, just see, by writing sentence I am giving you a trick. He writes English later. He writes English later. First of all, identify. As I told you, whenever we are making sentences in the tense, most important thing is verb. So directly focus on verb. What is verb here? Right. Verb is right. But as we learn, if subject is singular, we have to add yes or es to the verb. So they have added. He writes. Yes, they have added. He writes English later. Now just keep in mind the trick. Now the trick I am giving you. Whenever there is yes or es to the verb, then always keep in mind that there is a helping verb, hidden helping verb, and that hidden helping verb is does. What is that? Does. Now we got two things. We got our things, helping verb, does we got, and not also there. So now we are ready to make a sentence. Now how to make negative? Just see here. Helping verb, first of all take subject, he. Then you have to, after subject, always you have to add helping verb, then main verb. So helping verb we are added here. We does, but we are making negative. So don't forget not. So add here not. So can we add short form? Okay. We are adding here. We doesn't. Now we have to write here help main verb. Main verb is write. I have not written here writes. Why? Because in English there is a simple rule that whenever we are adding does in any sentence of simple present, then we have to remove yes or es from the verb. So what I have written? He doesn't write English later. later. Understand? Very easy. If the verb is having yes or yes, definitely there is the helping verb is does. Helping verb is does. You can keep in mind like this also. Subject is singular and yes and yes to the verb, it means that there is a does. Hidden verb is does. Now we can try for plural subject. I hope you understand this. Now the next example I am giving for plural subject. We cook cake. We cook a cake. We cook a cake. So now again we have to focus on verb. Is there yes or yes in verb? No, not at all. Subject is plural. In the verb, no yes or yes as we learn. So definitely the helping verb is do. What is the helping verb there? Do. So make negative. We can write here don't. We don't cook a cake. We don't cook a cake. Understand? So simply in negative sentence what we learn? The use of do and does. When to use does, when to use do. First quick revise we will take once again. See, for making negative sentence, very important is not we need and helping verb we need. But as we construct sentence of present simple, we know that we are just seeing in that sentences there is subject and direct main verb and then object. But there is a hidden verb and that hidden verb we have to find. And as we find here, subject is singular and verb is having yes or yes, then does is there. And if there is no yes or yes to the verb, then do is there. So by adding not to it, you can make directly the negative sentence. Last example we will take. They fly in the sky. They fly in the sky. How can you make it negative? See here. They. What is the hidden verb here? Do. So we can write they do not fly in the sky. They do not fly in the sky. Understand? Everyone? I hope you understand. So this is for making negative sentence from present simple sentences. Please do practice at home. Take some sentences from your parents, or we are already having in our worksheets, 4th lesson worksheets. So you can do practice using that. And if you have any queries or any problem, definitely I will give you a solution through our WhatsApp group. So please be in a contact. Bye bye. Have a nice day.